Whispers in my head. What you gonna do? 선택의 기로에 왠지 견내려 해. 쉽지 않아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs.
Marival Armony Resort and Spa is located about 40 kilometers north of the Puerto Vallarta airport in Punta Mita. It is a 5-star AAA 4-diamond adults-only resort. It's an adults-only, all-inclusive. Pina colada for our welcome drink.
And the strawberry margarita for me.
Is it yummy?
It's really good.
Even when you fall, don't look back. 사실은 말이야. Nobody knows.
This is our room.
Nobody knows.
Here they have like if you're gonna drink wine. Here they have to have a coffee over here, but I don't think we're gonna have a coffee here because it's all inclusive. And you can do at the buffet, mini bar. And what is this other one? Oh, the safe is
safe.
here. The bed. It's pretty nice, pretty good size. It's a king size. Really good space. Woo! Is approved?
Seems pretty good.
Okay. Here they have this little table. And here's the closet. Looks pretty good. Pretty good size of closet. They have ropes. The good space to put all the clothes. Now let's check the balcony and the view. Our balcony have 2 chairs, little table. Can sit here, enjoy the green view. Really beautiful, gorgeous.
It's a garden view, it's not ocean view.
That's okay, looks pretty. And this is it, this is our room. Pretty nice.
Nobody knows. Nobody knows. 'Cause it's only yours. Only yours. Yeah.
2 infinity pools that are for our building, and really nice lounge chairs that are very soft.
It's actually almost
And
private
very
because
private.
there's nobody here.
Very private, nice and cool. Excellent.
It's gorgeous, look. Oh my god.
Excellent.
Beautiful.
Our room is on the 3rd level facing the garden view, so it's facing this way.
Nobody knows. Nobody knows. 'Cause it's only yours. Only yours. Yeah. 쏟아지는 말 이미 어지러운 이 세상 속에서 어둠 속의 light 붙잡아 진실한 나만의 beliefs. 차가운보다 그득하니 앉아 내 마음속에 새겨둔 작은 위로를 또 꺼내야 하나. 우울함의 파도를 가라앉혀. But when you feel like giving.
Here is a main area of the resort, the large infinity pool that has a very shallow area as well as the area where you can stand up in and enjoy overlooking the ocean, and it also has a swim-up bar. It's about 50-some, 60-some steps down from the infinity pool area to the white sandy small beach that's very pretty and very nice water, and there's lounge chairs as well down there, as you can see. Some guests are members and they have exclusive areas that where only they can partake of, which is what you see here. Adjacent to the large infinity pool is this buffet that's outdoors, and it serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner, which the food is pretty good.
Whispers in my head.
During our 4-night stay, we had dinner each night at a different restaurant. The last night was at the outdoor buffet. The other ones had different course meals, and they were all very good. This is a very tiny octopus taco.
This is the second course.
This Cabernet Sauvignon is pretty good. It's not too dry, and it tastes pretty good.
Nobody knows. Nobody knows.
Oh, look how cute.
It's only yours. Only yours. Yeah.
What is it?
Dark chocolate dome.
쏟아지는 말 이미 어지러운 이 세상 속에서 어둠 속의 light 붙잡아 진실한 나만의 beliefs 차가운 그득하니 앉아 내 마음속에 새겨둔 작은 위로를 더 꺼내야 하나 우울함의 파도를 가라앉혀 But when you feel like giving up remember keep walking your way don't look back 너만의 길이야 Even when you fall don't look back 사실은 말이야 Nobody knows Nobody knows Cause it's only yours Only yours
One of the days we were there, we decided to get a afternoon massage for 1 hour. It was very relaxing. The resort had a very nice little gym. I did not partake of it like I usually do when I go on vacation. I got kind of lazy this time.
remember keep walking your way don't look back 너만의 길이야 Even when you fall don't look back
This restaurant here served 2 of our 4 dinners. They changed different cuisines different nights of the week.
Ella puso un casting para los que valoran. Si no es seguro, pues no se enamora. Porque la cagó una vez. Hay estrés, ella quiere. Ella puso un casting para los que
I'm asked.
seguro, pues no se enamora.
Gracias.
La cagó una vez, pero no otra vez. Cero drama y estrés, ella quiere que la partan como parto pista. Que la traten cual modelo de revista. Y un caballero pero no de amistad. Y es que si no le sirve pues baby hasta la vista. Que solo con la mirada se le ve todo el corazón. Pero es una niña mala, si hablamos de diversión. Quiere que bajen la luna y le canten una canción. Quiero amor de cuento de hadas, pero baby con pasión, yeah, yeah. Si la conoces no lo necesita decir. No sin problema si no pasaste la tesis. Y la salida está allá donde dice exit, next please, yeah. Ella puso un casting para los que valoran. Si no es seguro pues no se enamora. Porque la cagó una vez pero no otra vez. Cero drama y estrés, ella quiere. Ella puso un casting para los que valoran. Si no es seguro pues no se valora. Porque la cagó una vez pero no otra vez. Cero drama y estrés, ella quiere, yeah. Que no es la misma muchacha, no, no. Si va a Cupido y se agacha, si quiere amor pero ya no más castigo.
We have this pool just for us.
You're right.
At least now.
There's 2 of these small pools here right behind our building. A lot of people don't know about them, so it's pretty private.
Yeah, we kind of have just first look. This one
Very cool.
is one, and then the other side there. I have another one, the other side.
And I have lounge chairs and stuff there for basically us. And very few people know about it, so it's really nice and private.
And today is really humid here. It's like horrible. You need to be inside the water.
Today is our last full day at the Armory Resort, all inclusive. So we're a little sad that we have to go tomorrow morning back to the airport.
I'm not sad. I'm already miss home. You get sad yourself.
Baby shark, doo 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 doo, baby shark, doo 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 doo, baby shark. The Marival Armony Resort had many different activities in the daytime, including Pilates, yoga, jiu-jitsu, and this ice tub challenge. I partook of a tequila tasting, which was very informative and very good tequilas to try. And they also had some nighttime activities, including dancing, different types of dances.
Whispers in my head, what you gonna do? 선택의 기로에 왠지 견내려 해 쉽지 않아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs. You know what they say, don't brag about what you have. Be careful and be humble, otherwise you should be ready to stumble. You know what they say, 자신감이 없니? 왜 당당하게 살지를 못해? Keep walking your way, don't look back. 너만의 길이야. Even when you fall, don't look back. 사실은 말이야. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. 'Cause it's only yours. Only yours, yeah. 쏟아지는 말 이미 어지러운 이 세상 속에서 어둠 속의 light 붙잡아 진실한 나.
Thus concludes our 4-night stay at the Marival Armory all-inclusive adults-only resort. It's time to go home, and we went to the VIP lounge at the airport for a while before our flight. We hope you enjoyed this video and watch our other videos as well of various places around the world that we travel to. Please like and subscribe. Have a good one. Thank you.